Dear student, today we are in our question number 7.7. First question, bond angle in phosphonium ion is higher than phosphine. Bond angle in a phosphonium ion is higher than phosphine. First question, what is formed when PH3 react with an acid? These two questions you can see bond angle in pH4 plus means phosphonium ion is higher than that in pH3. Why? In phosphine, there is a lone pair of electron on phosphorus. There is one lone pair on phosphorus, one lone pair and three bonding pair in phosphine. So actually repulsion between lone pair and bonding pair is more than bonding pair. So these two bonds are coming close to each other. So bond angle here, three bonding pair and one lone pair. So hybridization is sp3. Clear? But it should be 109 and 28 degree, but which is less due to one lone pair. Lone pair repulse more to bonding pair. So repulsion between lone pair bonding pair is more than bonding pair. So bond angle is slightly decreased. Where in the case of phosphonium ion, there is no lone pair on phosphorus, in which can decrease the bond angle. Thus bond angle in phosphonium ion is greater. In the phosphonium ion, one lone pair is donated to H plus ion. So this is PH4 plus. Here all the four are bonding pairs. Hybridization sp3. So bond angle is greater because the repulsion between bonding pair is equal in this case. So bond angle is greater than phosphine in PH4 plus. One note down, important note, the structure of ammonia and the phosphine are not similar. In nitrogen, sp3 hybridization and therefore bond angle nearly tetrahedral 107.8 degree Celsius, 8 degree. But in phosphine, phosphorus does not have hybridization. Therefore bond angle is 93.6, which is close to the bond angle 90 between two p orbitals. So which is less in phosphine. Second question, phosphine react with acid like Hi to form phosphonium ion. Why? Actually phosphine has a one lone pair, so which is loose base and donates electron pair to the H plus ion and forms phosphonium iodide. What happens when white phosphorus is heated with a concentrated solution in an inert atmosphere of CO2? When white phosphorus, when we dissolve in sodium hydroxide, aqueous solution, in inert, in absence of CO2, जो O2 હોય તો phosphorus માંથી oxide બની જાય. So inert atmosphere, it gives phosphine and sodium dihydrogen phosphide. Now we are in our new point. Our index question over here. Now phosphorus halides. We are in our new point of phosphorus halide. Phosphorus actually forms two type of halides, trihalide and pentahalide. Now remember, phosphorus when combines with three halogen, so one lone pair remains on phosphorus. The phosphorus બે ટાઈપના હેલાઇડ આપે, ટ્રાયલાઇડ એન્ડ પેન્ટાહાઇલાઇડ, PX3 PX5. but PX3 હોય તો PF3 PCl3 PBr3 and PI3. All type of halides are possible. In the case of pentahalide, only PF5, PCl5 and PBr5 occurs. PI5 is not possible due to huge size of iodine. Phosphorus is small, so bond is not possible between. PI3 is possible, but PI5 is not possible. First of preparation of trichloride. One of the important compound is the phosphorus trichloride. So means write a short note about phosphorus trichloride. First preparation, then after properties. It is obtained. Two part of this question. Write a short note about phosphorus trichloride. So first of all preparation. It is obtained by passing dry chlorine gas overheated with white phosphorus. It is obtained by passing dry chlorine overheated white phosphorus on the white phosphorus, which is very reactive when we pass the chlorine gas. So it gives 4 mole of phosphorus trichloride. Yes. It is also obtained by the action of thionyl chloride with white phosphorus. SOCl2 means thionyl chloride. White phosphorus react with 8 mole of SOCl2 gives 4 mole of phosphorus trichloride, 4 mole of sulfur dioxide gas and sulfur monochloride. Yes sir. This is sulfur monochloride. S2Cl2 and structure આવું છે, and which is called sulfur monochloride. Here SO2 gas will be evaporates and we get phosphorus trichloride. Now properties of phosphorus trichloride. First of all, structure of PCl3. Here you can see in the phosphorus outermost 5 electrons are present. Out of 5, 2 are remaining as a lone pair, 3 is bonded with chlorine. This line indicates on the paper, dotted line indicates behind the paper, and hard wedges indicates I hit the paper. કાગળની આગળ, આ કાગળની પાછળ, કાગળ. So structure of it, it's like a pyramidal, triangular, pyramidal type of structure occurs. If shape is asked, hybridization is sp3, 3 bonding pair, 1 lone pair, sp3 of phosphorus. By shape is a triangular pyramidal. PCl3 is a colorless oily liquid, oil જેવું liquid છે, colorless છે ને રંગ નથી. Hydrolysis in the presence of moisture. It easily hydrolysis. Moisture એટલે ભેજની અંદર easily water સાથે react કરશે. Here 1 phosphorus and 3 chlorine bond breaks. In 3 mole of water, 3H plus and 3OH, it gives one phosphorus with 3OH gives H3PO3 phosphorus acid. Now 3H plus with 3 chlorine gives 3 mole of hydrochloric acid. PCl3 easily react with water, gives phosphorus acid and hydrochloric acid. It react with organic compound containing OH group. એટલે જે compoundમાં OH group હોય એની સાથે react કરશે and OH replaced by chlorine like acetic acid. In the acetic acid, OH group is present. So when we react with PCl3, so 3 OH group replaced by 3 chlorine, so it gives 3 mole of acetyl chloride, and P with 3 OH gives H3PO3 phosphorus acid. Now ethanol with PCl3. 3 mole of ethanol react with PCl3. So here 3 OH will be replaced and gives 3 mole of ethyl chloride and H3PO3 phosphorus acid. Now it has a pyramidal shape as shown, and in which phosphorus is sp3 hybridized. We discussed about it. Now we are in phosphorus pentachloride. Now preparation of phosphorus pentachloride. Another short note. Write a short note about phosphorus pentachloride. First of all preparation, then after properties. Phosphorus pentachloride is prepared by the reaction of white phosphorus with excess of chlorine, dry chlorine. એટલે વધારે પડતું ક્લોરીન સાથે reaction કરવાથી મળે. P4 is reacting with 10 mole of chlorine gives 4 mole of phosphorus pentachloride. It can also be prepared by the action of SO2Cl2 on phosphorus. Phosphorus is reacting with 10 mole of SO2Cl2. So it gives 4 mole of phosphorus pentachloride and 10 mole of sulfur dioxide. Yes, you can see P4 react with chlorine, 20 chlorine. So 5 4 20 for phosphorus. 10 mole of SO2 releases as a gas. So we can derive phosphorus pentachloride. So there are two methods to prepare PCl5. Now properties. Comparison we are doing. PCl3 is oily liquid, white, where PCl5 is a yellowish white powder, and in moist air it hydrolyzes to phosphorus oxychloride. Structure of PCl5 is like this: trigonal bipyramidal. Hybridization, here 5 bonding pair. So sp3d hybridization occurs. In phosphorus, 3s2 and 3p3 3d vacant. 1 electron from 3s moves in 3d, so 5 unpaired electrons. So s, p3 and d are taking part in the formation of bond. So sp3d hybridization occurs by shape. It is called trigonal bipyramidal. PCl5 is a yellowish powder. in moist air, it hydrolyzes to POCl3 and finally gets converted to phosphoric acid. PCl5 comes contact to moisture, otherwise the water. 2 hydrogen with 2 chlorine removes Za2HCl. આમ યાદ રાખો. 1 phosphorus, 1 oxygen and remaining 3 chlorine. So this is structure of phosphorus oxychloride, POCl3. Now that POCl3 once again react with more amount of water. So it gives 3 chlorine with 3 hydrogen, removal of 3 HCl. Now 3 OH is remaining and total 4 oxygen and 3 hydrogen and 1 P. So H3PO4 occurs. Yes, H3PO3 is phosphorus acid. Here H3PO4 is phosphoric acid. So PCl5 on hydrolysis gives phosphoric acid. When heated in the PCl5, these 2 bonds are long. These 3 are short. Why? આ ત્રણેય બોન્ડ છે એક 120 ડિગ્રી છે, આ એક 90 ડિગ્રી છે. અને રિપલ્સન આના ઇલેક્ટ્રોન છે મોર, એટલે આ બે બોન્ડ સ્લાઇટલી લોંગ હોય છે, ઇઝીલી બ્રેક થાય. Why? PCl3 is more stable. So on heating it gives decomposition. PCl3 and Cl2 gas. When heated, it sublimes but decomposes on strong heating. વધારે હીટ આપો તો તે ડીકમ્પોઝ થઈ PCl3 માં કન્વર્ટ થઈ જાય છે. It also react with organic compound containing OH group. Yes, PCl5 is reacting with organic compound containing OH group, converting them to chloro derivatives. OH will be replaced by chlorine. Ethanol. When we take PCl3, so 3 mole ethanol needed. When we take PCl5, only 1 mole needed. Yes. Here OH replaced by chlorine, so it gives chloroethane. So OH replaced 1 phosphorus, 4 chlorine remaining. Now H with Cl removes HCl. Now remaining POCl3. So phosphorus oxychloride it gives. Now acetic acid with PCl5. Here saying OH group will be replaced by chlorine. So name of the compound acetyl chloride. This part is acetyl then chloride. Acetyl chloride, OH, then P and 3 chloride 4. So 1 HCl and remaining POCl3 gives phosphorus oxychloride, thinly divided, एकदम बारीक powder, not finally, thinly divided metals, એટલે બારીક powder or metal on heating with PCl5 give corresponding chloride. Yes, metal like a silver. Powder of silver when we take and it react with PCl5, so 2 mole of silver combines with chlorine gives 2 mole of AgCl. Why PCl5 is unstable? It releases 2 chlorine. On heating, it converts into PCl3. So remove 2 chlorine, combines with silver, gives a silver chloride. Now with tin, when we take 2 mole of phosphorus pentachloride, on heating, 1 PCl5 release 2 chlorine, 2 PCl5 release 4 chlorine. So tin combines with 4 chlorine, gives SnCl4. Now remember, Sn plus 2 is called stannous. Sn plus 4 is stannic. Here is Sn plus 4, so stannic chloride. Stannic chloride and 2 mole of PCl3. It is used in the synthesis of some organic compound we discussed: chloroethane, acetyl chloride. This type of compound we can form some. Yes, it is used in the synthesis of some organic compound like chloroethane, acetyl chloride, like this. Synthesize એટલે બનાવો, એટલે acetyl chloride, chloroethane we can make from ethanol, acetyl chloride from acetic acid using PCl5. Here we discussed PCl5 is a trigonal bipyramidal. One pyramid is upward, one pyramid is downward. So which is trigonal bipyramidal, but these two bonds are long. You can see 240 picometer, and these three having bond length 202 picometer. એટલે આ ત્રણ બોન્ડ છે એની બોન્ડ લેન્થ 202 હોય, 5 કે આમાં 120 નો એંગલ હોય છે, એટલે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન થી રિપલ્શન લેસ છે, બોન્ડ શોર્ટ. આના ઇલેક્ટ્રોન્સ છે આના સાથે 90 ડિગ્રી ઉપર હોય, repulsion more, chlorine far from this 3 chlorine, like 240 picometer distance. So in PCl5 all the 5 bonds are same? No, 3 are same, 2 are long. Equatorial, vertical are long, equatorial like same plane માં 3 bonds say short હોય and vertical હોય તે big હોય છે. The gaseous and liquid phases, it is a trigonal, liquid hoy ki gas hoy, PCl5. It is a trigonal, not in solid state. I am talking about gaseous state and liquid state. The PCl5 liquid hoy ke gas hoy to trigonal bipyramid structure hoy છે. The 3 equatorial PCl bonds are equivalent, same હોય, while the 2 axial bond are longer than equatorial bond. આ ત્રણ bond કરતા આ બે bond long હોય છે. This is due to fact that the axial bond suffers more repulsion. આના જે electrons છે એના electron થી more repulsion પામે છે as compared to equatorial, કારણ કે અહીંયા angle 90 નો થઈ જાય, અહીંયા 120 નો થઈ જાય એટલે. Now example 7.7. Why does PCl5 fume in moisture? Why does PCl5 fume in moisture? PCl5 hydrolysis in the presence of moisture, giving fumes of HCl. PCl3 hydrolysis means react with water and gives hydrochloric acid, so it gives a smoke, fumes. Here PCl3 is given and 3 mole of water, 1 phosphorus with 3 OH, so POH thrice means H3PO3 and 3 it like this. one phosphorus with 3 OH like this, a 3PO3, 3 hydrogen with 3 chlorine. So hydrochloric acid and phosphorus acid gives, so it gives fumes, smoke in the air due to hydrolysis. It forms 2 acid, mixture of 2 acid, and due to HCl white color no ધુમાડો આપે. Are all the 5 bond in PCl5 molecule equivalent? Justify your answer. In the PCl5 as a trigonal bipyramidal structure we discussed, and the 3 equatorial phosphorus chlorine bond are equivalent, while the 2 axial bond are different and longer than equatorial bonds due to axial bond pair suffer more repulsion as compared to equatorial. એટલે એક જ પ્લેનમાં હોય ઇક્વિટોરિયલ, આ એક્સિયલ કહેવાય. એક્સિયલ બોન્ડના ઇલેક્ટ્રોનમાં રિપલ્શન વધારે, ઇક્વિટોરિયલમાં લેસ. એટલે 2 bonds are long and 3 bonds are short. Understood? Now in text question 7.9, what happens when PCl5 is heated? When we take PCl5 on heating, it gives PCl3 and Cl2 gas. Question 7.9 answer. PCl5 on heating gives phosphorus trichloride and Cl2 gas. Now 7.10. Write a balanced equation for the reaction of PCl5 with water. So PCl5 when react with water, 2 hydrogen with 2 chlorine releases 2 HCl and gives phosphorus oxychloride. This phosphorus oxychloride once again react with 3 mole of water, so it gives 3 mole of HCl and H3PO4 phosphoric acid. So in the last, first PCl5 gives POCl3 and 2 mole HCl. Now POCl3 with 3 mole water gives H3PO4 and 3 mole of hydrochloric acid. Now total of both. Sometimes આ બેનું total reaction આપે. So PCl3 cut. So actually PCl5 is reacting with 4 mole of water, gives the phosphoric acid and 5 mole of hydrochloric acid. You can say 5 chlorine, 5 plus 3, 8 hydrogen, 4 oxygen, 4, 1 phosphorus, 1. Sometimes direct આપણ આપેલું હોય, both are true. Now we are in our another IMP question. Oxoacids of phosphorus. First of all, what is oxoacid? Yes, whenever atom is combining with oxygen and OH and oxygen both group are present on same atom, which is called oxoacid. Whenever oxygen and OH both are present on the same atom, which is called oxoacid. This is समझे क्यों? Oxoacid means in any element whenever oxygen and OH both are present on same atom, which is called oxoacid. phosphorus forms a number of oxoacid. Yes, phosphorus forms a number of oxoacid. The important oxoacids of phosphorus with their formula, method of preparation, and the presence of some characteristics bond in their structure are given in the table. So question asked like this, describe, otherwise writers thought not about oxoacid of the phosphorus. Now on the oxoacid, we will discuss about it more in our next lecture. Till then, bye.